A story of richest man in Babylon. Once, 5,000 years ago, there was an ancient city named Babylon. Babylon was the richest city in world. There lived a chariot builder, named Bonsi. One day, Bonsi was very upset and sitting idly at his shop. His friend Kobe was roaming around the streets and saw Bonsi. On seeing him, he went in his shop and started conversation with him.
Hey Bansi, why are you sitting idle? Maybe you might be having too much money, that's why you're not working. Why don't you give me 2 coins, so that I can have dinner tonight?
My friend, I also don't have money to buy food and feed my family.
Then, why are you not working?
I was imagined that I was very rich and had a purse with full of gold. I was roaming in the chariot made of gold, and my wife and I were pleased. But when I woke up, I realized that my purse was empty. Why Kobe, after working so hard, we always remain poor?
You are right, we don't know how money flows from our hand. When I earn it, it disappears.
Why don't we talk with our old friend, Arkad? People say that he is the richest man in the Babylon.
Arkad was known as the wealthiest man in Babylon. He was very kind and helpful. He used to donate and used to spend lots of money. But still his wealth always kept on increasing, so much that he could not even spend his entire wealth. His friends then visited Arkad and started inquiring related to the secrets of his wealth.
Hey Arkad, we used to study in same school and lived in same place. We had same economical conditions. We used to put same efforts at work. Now, you are the richest man in Babylon. You keep on purchasing new and expensive clothes, eat delicious food, and spend lots of money, while we struggle to feed our stomach. How are you so lucky and blessed?
Off all these years, you all have not learnt the true laws of making wealth. So don't worry, I will tell you all the secrets by sharing my story. When I was young, I observed that the rich people have best lifestyle. They can eat delicious food, can wear expensive cloth, can roam at beautiful places, live luxurious life and have power. Then, I decided to learn to build wealth. I started with making stone tablets and worked hard for 2-3 months. I wasn't making any profits over that work. All my earnings used to be spent on clothes, food and living. One day a money lender, named Algamish, came to my house and ordered a copy of the 9th law, and he said to me,
I must have this in 2 days, and if the task is done by that time, I will give you extra 2 coppers.
Hearing that, I worked long and hard, but the law was long, and when Algamish returned, the job was still incomplete. Algamish, by seeing work incomplete, he was very angry at me. But somehow, I was unafraid, so I said to him, Algamish, you are a very rich man. Please tell me the secrets to become rich, and I promise that I will complete your work before sunrise.
I liked your dare and efforts. You fulfill my work, and then I shall tell you the secrets to become rich.
Then, I worked whole night and completed his tablets. Next day, when he came, I said that the work is done. Now please fulfill your promise, and tell me, how can I become rich like you?
Now listen carefully. I found a way to wealth when I got to know that I had to keep a part of my earnings for myself.
Is that all?
That was sufficient, that changed my life to a moneylender from sheep herder. Don't you pay, garment maker? Don't you pay, sandal maker? Don't you pay, the things you eat? What do you have of your earnings from the previous month? Fool! You pay to everyone except yourself. If you keep 1/10 of your earnings for yourself, how much will you have in 10 years? Every gold coin you save becomes slave of you, which will make copper coins for you. And from that earnings, you should save again. Wealth is like a tree, grows from a tiny seed.
Saying this, he took his tablet and left. His words were right, and I started following his teachings. After 1 year, Algamish came back and asked me,
Arkad, are you saving 1/10 of your earnings?
Yes, I save every 10% of my earnings.
What do you have done with that money?
I have given it to one friend, the brickmaker. He told me that he is traveling to other countries and will buy rare jewelry for me, and when he comes back, we will sell them at a higher price and make profits.
You are idiot. How a brickmaker can have knowledge about jewels? When you are sick, you go to a doctor or baker. You have lost your savings, you have uprooted your money tree. Now, plant another one, try again. And next time you want an advice on jewelry, head over to Jewel Trader. If you want to know about sheep, go to the shepherd. You should consult an expert in the relevant field. Start your savings again.
Algamish was right, my friend was fooled. The jewelry he bought were all fake. But I didn't give up, I once again started to save. Again, after 1 year, Algamish came to my room and asked me about my savings. This time from my savings, I have given it to one friend, who buys bronze, and makes shield out of that. And, on every 4 months gap, he pays me the part of profits.
That is good. What do you do with that profits?
I eat delicious food, wear luxury clothes, and buy good stuffs with that money.
You are eating the children of your savings. You should reinvest that money without spending it on unnecessary things. Arcade, by doing this, there will be a time when you will have enough savings that can fulfill all your desires without any degradation in your wealth. But this isn't the correct time to spend on unnecessary things.
By saying this, he again went away. After 2 years, Algamish once more returned and asked me,
Have you achieved the wealth you dreamt about?
Not much, but my investments are making money, and its children are also making money.
Arcade, you have learned all the lessons to create wealth. I am getting old, and I have lot of businesses. My children only keep on spending, and have no thought for earnings. Hence, you are the fit for this responsible position. I am making you my partner.
I accepted that offer and worked as his partner. I've revealed you all the secrets and laws of wealth creation through this story.
Key takeaways from the story. Whatever you earn, keep 1/10 or more of your earnings aside as savings. Make investments from that savings, so that savings will work for you. Always take advice from an expert in particular field.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.